Hello, the beautiful viewers of Dynamic Gambia TV. Welcome to Karakaya Grass Fence Company. This is a company that manufactures only grass fence. So this is the grass. They manufacture this as a grass. So as you can see, this is how everything starts. This one is a galvanized. This is only galvanized. All you are seeing is galvanized. It's only galvanized. You see? Then from there you move here. This is how the journey starts. This is where the journey starts. You can see. These are different machines. Different machines. Yes. So as you can see, this is where galvanized is moving. This is where it's going to start moving from one side to the other. Yeah, he's taking me through. So as you can see, this is a paper. This is what the machine is turning to make it different ways. As you can see. Oh my God, see here. Remember, this galvanized is attached to the paper into the grass. So let me go inside. As you can see, this is just rolling it. This is only rolling it. You have different type of papers. You have black, green. Okay, see the paper. This is even it's a latest, how to call it. It's a plastic. This is a plastic. So this is a raw material for the plastic. Oh, this one you are seeing. It's a plastic. Yeah, two different ones. So you see? Yes. And these are different. Yep. These are two different colors. Very light green and a dark green. So these are two. Galvanized is going to attach to this one to give it to you. They attach it to galvanized. Then from there, the machine will just stitch it. You see? This is how it stitches. See the galvanized and you see this. The galvanized is under it. As you can see. You see? This might keep rolling and rolling and rolling and rolling. Then you can see here again. You see another set of galvanized? Oh my God. See? Okay? See just part of it. These ones are wasted ones. These are the errors. You see the machine just moving. Yeah. So when after that, you see this is the black one. This is the black one. Okay. From there, the machine will roll it in a form of bundle like this. This is a bundle. So now this bundle will now be attached to this place and roll it to make it up to 1 meter. The weight of this fence. Yes, I'm coming. 1 minute. I'm coming. Just look. So you can see here. So this is where the end product is. You see, from the queue, this is where it started. As you can see, yeah, you now have a bundle. You see, this is made in 10 meters, 10 meters, 10 meters. They roll it in 10 meters. So here will be the final product, 1 minute. After here, you just come here. So this is the bundle. This one is pure black. As you can see. Oh yes. This is the end product. Expect this in Gambia very soon. Courtesy of DG Construction and Real Estate. We'll be bringing this into Gambia very, very soon in partnership Karakaya Company Limited. So you can see, after the machine keep rolling. You see, this is how they are making the bundle. You see, finally it's cut off. It's now cut off finally. You see? Good. You see? Now he will surrender it. This one is completed. This one, someone also started. So you see, this is what is going to happen. See? So another person is also doing. This is 100% division of labor. You said this is 10 meters? 10 meters. So you can see. From there they roll it and make this as a final product. This is the final product. This is what we can do. See, he is now rolling to make it a bundle. See? Okay. Oh, tamam. It's completed. Now he's coming to take something to tie it. Just see the way they tie it. Work is completed. Good. Tamam. Good. Thank you. So this is how it happens.